So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of back pimples or back acne with this affordable product you can purchase in any drugstore of your choice. So definitely consider watching this video till the end and giving this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's just dive right into today's video. Alright, so Dettol is an overlooked product. Like, people don't even know this product can help you clear your back acne. Yeah, I'm talking about this antiseptic liquid right here. This is an amazing product and it can definitely help you get rid of your body acne. Those are pimples that occur at your back and a whole lot more. So stick around and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because I know somebody out there has been looking for an affordable remedy that would help you get rid of back pimples or back acne. Please click the like button. This will help the person see the video faster. So let's dive right into the basics on how to use the product with sensitive skin and dry skin. There is no right or wrong way to use the Dettol antiseptic liquid. A lot of people just use this product by adding few drops into their bathing water just to sanitize or disinfect the water before they use it. Now, I'm going to tell you how to strategically use this product to clear your back acne or back pimple. This product is going to help you treat the problem. Right, so if you have a sensitive skin, I would suggest you dilute the product with water. Before I even talk about that, you guys should know that Dettol has different sizes. This is kind of like what I call the student-friendly size or the pocket-friendly size. This is very portable. I think after this, there's a much more smaller packaging of this product, if I'm not mistaken with what I just said now. I know there are bigger sizes out there. So in Nigeria, this is around 300 naira or 400 naira. So make sure you just, it's very affordable, very affordable. That being said, if you have a sensitive skin, I'll suggest you dilute the product with water and then work your way up into making the solution more stronger for your skin. If you have used it before in the past, please share your comments down below. Let other people be encouraged and try out this remedy, this hack. All right, this tip rather, let me just say tip. Get half a bottle of water and then dilute it. Just get a cup, let me open this product. Just pour in a little bit into, fill the cup just like this. Then pour in your 1 cup of Dettol into the bottle of water. Remember, I said you must have filled the bottle of water to half. Like, get it to half of this bottle. Have your bath. When you've had your bath, then gently massage the Dettol on the areas where you have your body pimples. It could be on your chest, it could be on your back. Yeah, that could also help if you have a sensitive skin. Remember I said dilute it. Get a bottle of water, fill it to half, then use the cover of your Dettol antiseptic. Collect just a full cap of your Dettol antiseptic on the cover. Use a cover, just measure it to the brim. Pour into your bottle of water, half a bottle of water, and then use it regularly. Like after showering, you can just apply the diluted mixture, especially on the areas where you have your body acne and maybe your chest acne. Those are pimples on your back and on your chest. Second way you can use your Dettol antiseptic is by pouring it into your shower gel. Like I said, just measure out a cup with the cover. Once again, pour into your shower gel, mix it well, and anytime you're bathing, just apply some on your bathing gloves. I've said that before in the last video. I'm still going to show you guys a picture of what I'm talking about. Just pour some and wash all over your skin. That's the second way you can still use it. Third method is using the Dettol bar soap. Dettol has a lot of bathing soaps out there. The one I love most is the Dettol Cool. That is the one I have used. For some people that will come to the channel and be like, Nyechi, tell us exactly what you're using for your skin. Well, if you really have a sensitive skin, like when I mean a super sensitive skin, and maybe you're afraid of using the first method or the second method, you can just use the Dettol Cool soap. That is my favorite. Dettol has a whole lot of soaps out there in the market, but the one I love most is the Dettol Cool. I'm going to show you guys. I have it somewhere in my room here, so I'm going to bring it and show you guys. Okay, this is the Dettol bar soap I'm talking about. For some reason, I don't know if my lighting can let us see this properly, Let me see if I can get my camera to focus on it. This is the Dettol Cool, and I love this. This is very, very affordable. This is the smallest size. I think just 150 naira will do. And this is what I use if I don't want to use either pouring this into my shower gel or diluting it with water. There are 3 methods. I've mentioned all of them before. You can either pour it into a half bottle of water and use it to massage the areas where you have pimples, or you can pour a little bit into your shower gel and use it to wash your body with your exfoliating hand gloves. Or thirdly, you can just get the Dettol bar soaps. There are many Dettol bar soaps out there. This is my favorite, the Dettol. So the fourth method, if you don't want to go for the third and the second and the first method, you can just use the product directly. Especially, I recommend this if you don't have a sensitive skin. Like if you have a sensitive skin, you can either use the first method or the third method, which is diluting with water, or just using the Dettol bar soap or any Dettol bar soap of your choice. But preferably what I have used that has worked for me along these years is the Dettol Cool soap. It's just my go-to antiseptic soap if I want to try something out of the luxurious or what's it called, normal skincare brand. Like if I just want a treatment for a certain period of time, I just go for my Dettol Cool soap. One on the list is using your product directly on your skin. Yes, how can you do this? You can just take a little bit of your Dettol and pour it into your exfoliating hand gloves and massage it and use it all over your body when you're done showering, and then rinse it off. Remember to always rinse off your Dettol as a body acne treatment or a body pimple treatment can be super drying for your skin, especially if you have a dry skin or even a sensitive skin. So please make sure you go in with your moisturizing lotions like the CeraVe moisturizing lotion, or even the Dove moisturizing lotions, or any moisturizing lotion of your choice in the market. Just make your choice and figure out the one you want to buy or use. And then one more thing, you don't have to use the treatment every day. Please make sure you don't use this treatment every day. You can use this thing twice a week depending on the severity of your body pimple or body acne. It's not something you have to use religiously, like from Monday till Friday or from Monday till Saturday or from Monday to Sunday. No, it's a treatment. So if you want my suggestion, use the Dettol treatment for just 2 times a week. Yes, and you'll be fine. Make sure you rinse off it thoroughly, and then always apply your moisturizing lotions afterwards to avoid drying of the skin. Do not use this treatment on your face. You're not supposed to use the treatment on your face. You're just supposed to use it on your body. Make sure it is well diluted before using directly on the skin. Dilute properly, and also wash off your skin thoroughly. You have any issues while using the product, please discontinue the product. Do not use if you experience burning sensation, itchy sensation, redness. If your body is just irritated by the treatment, please just discontinue the treatment. So this brings us to the last part of the video. Have you tried the Dettol Cool soap before, or have you used the Dettol antiseptic liquid for your body pimple or body acne treatment? If so, please leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. I am definitely going to answer you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. All right, okay, bye.